Reading a textbook or highlighting notes feels like studying, but cognitive science shows it's a highly passive activity yielding terrible long-term memory retention. This chart shows the friction of the alternative. The high bar on the left represents active recall, the process of actively stimulating your memory by testing yourself. It yields incredible retention. But the bar on the right shows the massive time penalty required to actually prepare those quizzes and flashcards before you can even begin studying. Early AI text generators attempted to fix this by spitting out generic questions, but they hit a wall. They couldn't track a student's progress across sessions or adapt when a user consistently struggled with a specific concept. In April 2026, Google addressed this specific bottleneck with a major update to NotebookLM, rolling out a suite of interactive study tools housed under a new Studio banner. The software automates the conversion process, turning a 50-page research document into a testable interactive module the moment the upload completes. To trigger this process, you navigate directly to the Studio panel, located on the right side of the NotebookLM interface. Before the software creates anything, you can customize the output. You dictate the exact difficulty level and tell the system which specific areas of your source documents to focus on. Once a session begins, it lives in the cloud. A recent mobile update ensures your quiz progress and flashcard sets continuously sync across all your devices. Start a quiz on a Chromebook, close the browser tab mid-question, and resume directly on your phone. The generated flashcards are highly portable. If you want to take your study sets outside of the NotebookLM ecosystem, you download them directly as raw CSV files to import straight into Google Sheets. Removing geographical and device restrictions means studying no longer requires a scheduled 3-hour block of time at a desk. It happens in short, continuous bursts whenever you have 5 free minutes. The quizzes themselves have moved past the simple text blocks of earlier AI models. They are fully interactive modules where you click through multiple choice answers and see your results in real time. The utility of these modules becomes most apparent during a failure state, such as when a student selects the wrong answer. The moment you make a mistake, a new Explain button appears directly beneath the question. Clicking that button triggers a targeted AI query. Instead of searching the open web and risking a hallucination, the system scans only your uploaded documents, extracts the exact paragraph containing the right answer, and drops it into the chat as a verified citation. Receiving this immediate, source-backed feedback is crucial. Correcting a misunderstanding the exact second it occurs prevents your brain from cognitively reinforcing incorrect information. Once the quiz concludes, NotebookLM enters an adaptation phase based on your results. This post-quiz summary interface presents a comprehensive performance report. The left side displays a top-line scoring metric showing exact accuracy, alongside an itemized list of topics covered. On the right, it generates buttons suggesting related follow-up topics to study next. By automatically mapping out these performance metrics and suggesting targeted next steps, the interface shifts the burden of identifying knowledge gaps from the student to the software. This ties directly into the new Regenerate tool. The AI analyzes your end-of-session performance data to pinpoint the exact concepts you struggled with the most. This diagram visualizes the process. The system takes your performance analysis, triggers a targeted regeneration, and delivers a focused follow-up quiz. It instantly builds a new set of materials centered exclusively on your weak points, closing the active learning cycle. As for access, free users can generate up to 10 quiz or flashcard sets per notebook, while pro users have unlimited capacity to run this generation loop. To expand access, Google rolled out a 2026 academic support initiative that automatically grants free pro upgrades to students aged 18 and over in specific regions, including the UK, Japan, and Brazil. NotebookLM acts as an active, adaptive tutor that evaluates your progress and continually evolves its materials to match your actual comprehension.